So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone suddenly drop down battery health, and it's showing battery health and charging on service after a iOS beta update. If you're also facing that issue on your iPhone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that issue in your iPhone. Make sure you don't have hardware issue in your iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how to fix that issue. Firstly, and basic solution is make sure you don't have any new pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. To check that, open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to go back and find here your option general option. You can see appears on screen showing here general option. Tap on that option. Okay, in that section you can see appears on screen here are showing software update. Tap on that. Okay, and check if you have pending iOS update in your iPhone and it's the latest official iOS update. Make sure it's not beta iOS update. So after update your iPhone to the latest official update, you can easily fix that issue on your iPhone. Okay, if that method not working on your iPhone and your iPhone still showing the battery on service, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Okay, to do that, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone forced to restart. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is reset all setting. To do that, open iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on general. Now again scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that, tap on reset and reset all setting. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then make sure you don't have any hardware issue and your iPhone battery is downgrade. If it's need to replace, just connect the nearest Apple store. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.